Hey you guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Once again, I am here with my 2004 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to attempt to replace the airbox and install a new filter. Right here, this is the airbox, and inside of it is the air filter. Yeah, the problem with this airbox is, well, it's got old rusted screws or bolts, and well, these broke off here and here, so they're zip tied on, and it's hard to see, but way in the back it's been chipped out, which I'll try to show you later. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to cut these zip ties off here with my side cutters. That one. Cut off there, so that. I'm going to attempt to remove this. Loosen up this one. And let's see, then I'll loosen that up. So. There we go. And like that. Now, as you can see, I put some blue tape. I attempted to put blue tape over this. You can see there's a crack in it right there. This is the current air filter. It just sits in there and and then loosen this one. Always makes me nervous loosening something that may or may not have been moved in a while, but I'm doing it anyways. Okay, and this one was a nut, and if you ever have trouble with it sticking on your socket, just thread it back on and then jiggle it, and it'll come out of here and it'll stay on here, but only a couple threads so you can take it off. Ooh. So yeah, I'm currently working on loosening this one. I'm not sure if it goes all the way down or if it's just a short bolt. So I grabbed my replacement. This is my replacement airbox, and let's see. Right here is where that bolt goes through. So I would think it's only a short bolt. let's work on it a little more.
Get down, 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 drop that. For me, what, work it. Drop that.
All right. Okay, good. Got it all.
Get it.
Alright you guys, so here's the new airbox I'm going to put in, and here's the old one. So let's take this off.
1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Real good.
Okay, now I'm going to put this nut on here and tighten that up. There we go. Drop the screw. It's tight, that one's tight. That one's tight. And that one's tight. There you go. That tube is on. And I gotta tighten this. Oop. Tighten this hose clamp. There we go. Okay, got the new air filter in the new air box, and I'm good to go. Okay, here we go. I still hear that whistling. Roll the windows up. I still hear the whistling, but I have a new airbox, a new air filter. I checked everything, so I guess it is what it is. Later.